Hello friends, this is me Piyush Mahajan. This video contains an overview of production technology of Apple. I have prepared it under the guidance of Dr. Prashant Bakshi sir. I'm very thankful for his efforts in making each session very enjoyable and educational. I'll keep my explanation strictly to all that you can see on the slides. So without further delay, let's get started. In this video, I'll discuss nutrition, taxonomy, production, climate and soil, propagation, plantation, fertilizer application, irrigation, cultural operations, harvesting and yield, plant protection measures, diseases, constraints, and conclusion in concern to apple. Introduction of apple. Apple is the king of temperate fruits. It is a symbol of health. Apple tree is deciduous in nature. Apple is most widely grown temperate fruit of the world. Himachal Pradesh is known as apple bowl of India. Among all the fruits, apple has a long storage life. Nutritional value of apple. Apple is a fruit that contains sugar, protein, carbohydrates, vitamins in a very balanced form. It helps in managing the risk of prostate, colon, lung cancer. It also helps in managing a proper cholesterol level in the human body. Taxonomy in apple. The botanical name of apple is Malus domestica. The family is Rosaceae. Subfamily is Meloidae. Origin is Southwestern Asia. The flower color varies from white to pink. Type of fruit is pome. And the edible portion is mesocarp. Area and production. Apple accounts 55% area and 75% production of temperate fruits in India. China is the largest apple producing country in the world. Over 700 accessions of apple introduced from USA, Russia, UK, Canada, Germany, Israel, Netherlands, Australia, Switzerland and Denmark have been tried. Area in India. 83% of area under apple in Himachal Pradesh, 45% in J&K and 30% in UP Hills. Also been extended to Arunachal Pradesh, Sikkim, Nagaland and Meghalaya in the northeastern region and Nilgiri Hills in Tamil Nadu. Climate and soil. Mean sea level 1500 to 2700 meter. Apple grows well in the areas having temperature ranging between 21 to 24 degrees Celsius. Rainfall 100 to 125 centimeter. The number of chilling rod required ranges between 1000 to 1500. Soil pH should range between 5.5 to 6.5 and the type of soil should be loamy, rich in inorganic matter. Varieties of apple. First, Red Delicious. It is a mid-season variety evolved as a chance seedling in US. Fruits are large, fleshy, creamy white, tender, crisp, fine-grained and aromatic. Second is Golden Delicious. It is a late-season variety with moderate vigor, fleshy, creamy white, firm, sweet and with a blend of acidity. Few other varieties are Macintosh, Jonathan and Jonah Gold. Macintosh and Jonathan both are mid-season varieties. Jonah Gold was developed in New York as a result of cross between Golden Delicious and Jonathan. Propagation method. Apple is propagated through tongue and whip method of grafting. Planting. The size of it should be 1 into 1 into 1 meter. Planting system. Square or hexagonal planting system are taken into consideration. Planting time January to February. The average number of plants accommodated in an area of 1 hectare can range between 200 to 1250. Four different categories of planting densities are followed, which are low, moderate, high and ultra high densities, accommodating less than 250 plants per hectare, 250 to 500 plants per hectare, 500 to 1250 plants per hectare and more than 1250 plants per hectare respectively. Fertilizer application. Farmyard manure and NPK should be applied as per shown in the slides. Besides that, calcium, zinc, manganese and boron should be applied in order to avoid nutrient deficiencies in apple. Irrigation. The water requirement of apple is 114 cm, therefore 15 to 20 irrigations per annum works. In summer, irrigation is provided at an interval of 7 to 10 days, while in winters it is given at an interval of 3 to 4 weeks. Weeding. It is done to avoid competition. Application of glyphosate at the rate 800 ml per hectare or gamma hexane as a post-emergence herbicide suppresses weed growth for 4 to 5 months. Mulching. Mulching helps in regulating soil temperature. It also helps in conserving moisture. Use of dry grass or oak leaves has also been found effective in conserving soil moisture. Intercropping. Green manuring crops, sunflower and bean may be cultivated in the early years of plantation in order to improve soil texture and nutrient status of the soil. Fruit drop. In apple there are three distinct fruit drops: early drop, June drop and pre-harvest drop. Management of pre-harvest drop. Pre-harvest drop can be controlled by spraying naphthalene acetic acid at the rate 10 ppm about a week before expected drop. Plant growth regulators. The use of growth hormones is essential for good flowering and proper coloration in fruits. Chemicals like carbaryl or 7 at the rate 750 to 1000 ppm at the petal fall may be applied for the purpose. Training. Timely training operation is essential for proper growth and good productivity. The plants are trained according to the growth habit and vigor of the rootstocks. The standard trees are trained on modified central leader system so that plant receives proper sunlight. Pruning. Pruning is essential to maintain a proper balance between vegetative growth and spur development. Proper pruning of weak and undesirable branches is necessary after 6 years of plantation. Harvesting and yield. The orchards start bearing from the 8th and the economic life of apple tree exceeds up to 30 years. The level of productivity varies from elevation to elevation. Production stage extends up to even 40 years depending upon agroclimatic conditions. Apple being a climacteric fruit, the maturity period does not coincide with ripening. Fruits are usually harvested before they are fully ripe. Harvesting method. The various harvesting methods are hand harvesting, mechanical harvesting, and it can also be done using a ladder. Plant protection measure. Woolly aphids. The symptom of damage. Nymph and adult suck the juice from the bark of the trunk or fruits, weakening and causing the death of the smaller plants. Management. Use resistant rootstocks like M778, M779, MM14, etc. Sanjo scale. Symptoms of damage. The infested region becomes reddish pink and purple discoloration on fruits are also observed. Management. In summer, spray with Focalone 50 EC 0.05%, and in winter, spray with diesel oil emulsion at 8 to 12 liters per tray. The symptoms. The symptoms appear on the leaves and fruits. On the lower side, it becomes velvety. Management. Clean cultivation, collection and destruction of fallen leaves and pruned materials in winter to prevent the sexual cycle. Fire blight. The symptoms. The initial symptom usually occurs on leaf which become water soaked, then shrivel turn brownish to black in color and fall or remain hanging on tree. Management. Removal and destruction of affected plants. Spray streptomycin 500 ppm. Physiological disorders. First, water core. It is caused by boron deficiency. Management. Apply suitable quantity of borax. Second is bitter pit. It is caused by calcium deficiency. Management. Apply suitable quantity of calcium carbonate. Third is rosette leaf. It is caused by zinc deficiency. Management. Apply suitable quantity of zinc sulfate. Conclusion. Apple contributes significantly to the horticulture economy of India. Therefore, proper marketing of apple can change the rural economy in the hills of northwestern India. High density planting, water management including micro irrigation, integrated plant nutrient management and IPM strategy for the plant protection are some of the areas which need great attention. Adoption of the post harvest management practices and infrastructure development for grading, packaging, pre-cooling and storage of the produce needs focused developmental attention. Now it's time to answer a few questions. Number 1, apple belongs to the family and the answer is Rosaceae. Second, by which method of grafting apple varieties are propagated and the answer is whip and tongue method of grafting. Number 3, which apple varieties are grown in J&K and the answer is Umbri and Golden Delicious. Number 4, which type of soil is good for apple cultivation and the answer is loamy soil. Number 5, which element causes internal browning of apple and the answer is deficiency of boron. Subscribe this channel for more amazing videos and thank you.